Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Science Chat feature on the Chat with Ask AI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page, and within the suggestions section you can find the Science Chat feature, so tap on it. And here you can see a suggestion: act like a professor, you will give me new information, you will present interesting information from basic sciences. You can start by saying an interesting sentence about science. Feel free to use this preset message, but you can also type in your own scientifically related question, then tap on the send button in the middle of the screen, and here you can see the response of the AI being generated. It might take a few seconds. So basically that's it for this video, guys. That's how you can use AI in a scientific chat. See you in the next video. Bye bye.